Honorable Federal Ministers, Minister of States, Ambassador of China, Jiang Zedong, Ambassador of Pakistan in Beijing, Khalil Hashmi, Chinese and Pakistani entrepreneurs, agriculturists, experts, and government officials, academicians, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure and an honor to be here at this great event of Pakistani and Chinese Business Forum to discuss and promote agriculture, trade, investments, exports between the two countries. And for this, I would like to comment the efforts of Rana Tanveer Hussain and his team, Ambassador of China and his team, and of course Khalil Hashmi, our ambassador, and his team, and all those who have really contributed meaningfully to make this conference a roaring success. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is essentially an agrarian economy. Even today, as I speak, 65% of our population, they reside and work in rural areas. And agriculture is the backbone of Pakistan's economy. And its potential is unlimited. The only thing is to put together today's requirements in terms of how to enhance our per acre yield through modern technologies and modern techniques. Alhamdulillah, we have over the years made certain achievements, but then it's a long way to go. The government of Pakistan and the provincial governments, along with the farming community, they have to put their act together along with our scientists, researchers, and experts as to how to make best use of water, how to make use of our limited land in the country, and what to grow and what to export, how to have value chain, cold chain, storage capacity, value addition. China is a great friend of Pakistan, a friend who has stood through thick and thin. China has never shied away from providing Pakistan with best possible expertise and technologies. And this was the reason we had the first B2B forum in Shandong in 2024. And then a wonderful event in Beijing in 2025, where Pakistani and Chinese entrepreneurs, both at B2B and G2G, signed MOUs and agreements. The other day, I was having a review meeting of these moots, both at Shandong and Beijing. And I was very happy to express my satisfaction over the progress we are making in terms of converting these MOUs into agreements. But then it requires solid hard work, untiring efforts, blood and sweat. Without that, you will not be able to achieve your targets. It has never happened in the entire history of this world. It's all about